Hey friends, I know you've heard a ton about keto and you have heard people have really great experiences with it and you've heard of people having not so great experiences with it. But you're at a point that you want to feel better about your health. You really want to make some changes. You need to stop feeding bad bacteria in your gut, which is manifesting in flatulence and bloating and headaches and irritability, and you know that you need to make some changes. So I want to tell you about Power Foods Lifestyle Keto. And in fact, I'm going to be referring to my little cheat sheet here, which I would love for you to go and grab free. Once we're done talking, there's just a link right above here. So Power Foods Lifestyle is a method of eating that I created using a system of very complex but simplified principles to help you make the best eating choices for you. Power Foods Lifestyle Keto takes those most important principles and puts it in a ketogenic strategy, where keto is low carb eating with moderate protein and high fats. You use fats for energy so that your body can be very sustainable, and it's a very efficient way of fueling your brain and your energy. So on this cheat sheet, I tell you the 5 most important proteins, vegetables, and fats to be eating. There's so many lists out there. You can Google anything, but finding a simplified system is really difficult. So I want to just get you started with the right principles. So what are those power foods? So I hope you will join me on a journey to learn more about your way of helping your body to function optimally, to feel energy again, get through that brain fog. There's so much power that waits for you on the other side of the journey. And I get it's scary. It's scary to begin. It's hard to make that decision, but once you do, you will be better for it. You will look back and thank yourself for deciding to make some improvements in your life. I'm here as Coach Kristyjo to guide you every step of the way. And so if we can be of help to you, let me know. We do have 28-day challenges. They start every 5 weeks, but why don't you go ahead and just start now by, again, downloading the PFL Keto cheat sheet, and let's get you started on the keto learning journey so you can do so with wisdom, with education, empowerment, and making every good choice for your body one by one. Here at Body Buddies, we power your body one meal, one workout, one day at a time. You can do it.